In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as discourse analysis. Today, I'm going to teach you language and culture. What is the relationship between language and culture? How language and culture, they are deeply connected and intertwined together. Listeners and audience, language and culture, they are deeply connected and intertwined together. Language is connected and rooted in culture, and culture is reflected in language. Language and culture, they influence and shape each other. When we're talking about language, language is the system of communication. It is the tool of communication, including words, phrases, sentences, symbols, and words. Language is used to convey our meaning, message, and express ourselves. On the other hand, when we are talking about culture, culture refers to the shared values, beliefs, customs, traditions, and our practices in a society and community. Culture is actually a collective identity that shapes our attitudes, behaviors, and perceptions. Listeners and audience, as I told you, that culture and language, they are interconnected or they are connected and intertwined together. Language is rooted in culture and culture is reflected in the language. Let me elaborate and illustrate this with examples. Take the example of, for example, addressing each others. Addressing each other vary across culture. Like in some cultures, calling each other by the first name is preferred, while in another culture or another cultures, calling each other by second name is preferred. Like in Western cultures, calling each other by the first name is preferred. And when we are talking about communication style is preferred and valued in other cultures. So in some culture, direct communication is valued, while in another, indirect communication style is valued. For example, in Germany, direct communication is valued and preferred, and straightforwardness is appreciated. While in China, indirect communication style is valued and appreciated. Whenever we are talking about, for example, nonverbal communication. In nonverbal communication, we have body language, posture, gesture, and eye contact. They also vary across cultures. For example, in some cultures, eye contact is respectful, while in another culture, it is disrespectful. Similarly, take the example of time and punctuality. Time and punctuality is highly valued and appreciated in Switzerland. While the people Or Brazil, they are relaxed about time and punctuality. So, listeners and audience, hope that now you know about the intertwined and deeply connection between culture and language. Thank you.